The SonoSim app serves as an ultrasound assistant in your pocket and includes new features for our current members. To get started, download the app and log in with your SonoSim username and password. For SonoSim Courses, click on the course library icon, select the desired course, and complete your ultrasound training on the go. Alternatively, Key Concepts provide short summaries of the courses. Scroll through the key concepts to find your guide, or click Show All. Select the relevant anatomical region, or search for keywords from the guides. Use Bedside References to quickly find helpful information, including measurement guidelines and key imaging criteria. Scroll through our suggestions, or click Show All and select the anatomical region you're interested in. To download content, click the download icon next to the guide title or after opening the guide. To access downloaded content, simply open the app when offline and click Downloaded Materials. For further assistance, please contact our member support team at 855-873-7666 or by emailing support@sonosim.com.